Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
Today we are at Disney's Riviera Resort and we're going to take a quick peek around this cute little tower studio room. So come on in and join us.
Very small. Sleeps up to 2.
Oh. That's interesting. It really is a studio.
Very, very small. I love to say the living room is almost as big as the bathroom. Beautiful shower. Has a closet inside.
Oh.
Lots of room in there, right?
You'll need the storage in here.
Yeah.
Lots of places to store your luggage. And I'm in love with the shower heads. I could stand in there for a long time. And all the soap. And the soap is on the wall.
And then also where you're standing, you're going to have the desk on this side. Coffee maker. This will come down. Okay. And then
The hair dryer.
toaster, microwave, and then on the very bottom, have a small fridge.
A fridge, toaster, microwave, all the utensils, ice bucket, extra blanket. Very cool. That fridge is little.
Yeah, very, very, very small.
Only 2 people in here anyway.
Yeah, that's true.
And then there's a Keurig coffee maker on the opposite side.
It's pretty though. It has like, what is the theme? It has like a Tuscan feel, you know, like you would stay in another country and just like a little tiny
Yeah, absolutely.
villa.
Absolutely.
And even the railing, you know, in front of the window feels like that. And the
Yeah,
hidden
the
Mickeys.
are there.
I'm guessing once you put the bed down, that's pretty much the whole.
Absolutely. Absolutely. If it's 2
Even-
people for a vacation or membership, they use less points.
Okay.
So it's an option.
So just an economical option. But heck, if you come here to visit the parks, you just need a place to sleep. That's very cool. I like all the hidden Mickeys and the railing. I like how they have the recycle and the trash
Yeah.
now. I like to go green. I know, laugh. All right, thank you for showing us the room.
My pleasure.
Thank you for joining us on our quick look around Disney's Riviera Resort's Tower Studio Room. It's cute, it's little, but it's perfect for just 2 people. If you like our videos, don't forget to like
Subscribe.
and leave a comment down below.
Turn on post notifications to get notified when we post new videos.
And if you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance based on hours of personal experience and professional training, look me up. My name is Melissa at PixieDustAdventures.com. Thank you for watching.